So good afternoon to all of you. This is the one small video because we got the notification earlier before one day about the IOQM announcement, and right now registration is not started. It will start only after the I think July 1st week. So that time I will update ki how to do registration for this. But there is a huge change from last year to this year, and it's a good change, and I wanted that ki all of you should understand what exactly change happened for the Mathematics Olympiad this year. See, before the COVID, what was there, ki there were the stages was there. Ki first stage was PRMO, which is the state level, and then go for the RMO, then go for the INMO, okay, and then of course camp, INMTC, PDC, pre-departure camp. So that is the means beyond the level where the student is reaching. These were the before COVID. During COVID, they mixed these two and they created a new name, that is the IOQM. Those who do not know about this, I'm just giving 5-minute brief idea what was happening. So till last year, any child who's coming in 8th class and going to write first time examination and 9th class first time examination, for them this paper was the difficult. And for example, last year paper was in the last 10 years, it was the one of the difficult paper. So this was creating problem. So now they change it and they go back to old style. Old style advantage is that ki PRMO is not that much difficult, and that's create what you can say that ki means motivation for the every child who's writing the first time also. So state level, now they bring back to old position, but slight name changes they did, and some more things they did which I wanted to explain you, and so that ki you should understand ki what is going to be happen. Now PRMO name is not there, they are calling it IOQM only, but you can take it as a PRMO only, because this is the first level of examination they are going to conduct, and this will take place on 3rd September 2023. It's going to be happen. I think, yeah, 3rd September is going to take place. And after that, once you qualify, I will explain what is the level of this paper. This is not that IOQM which is the till last year, because that time till last year IOQM was containing PRMO and RMO combined. Now it's a state level, simple examination. I will explain you how many questions, what is the criteria, all those things I will explain in the, I'm not going to make it very big video, but very small. So IOQM, if you are going to qualify this, hopefully serious student, especially serious, I'm not saying everybody will qualify, but those students who are the slight serious and they do fundamental easily can be qualified. I will tell you why I am saying this statement. So then the child has to write RMO. This is the Regional Mathematics Olympiad, it's called. Okay, and that will take place October 29. You can understand between these approximately you can say 50 days gap is there, and this gap is only for practicing the mock paper. Theory time will not be there, understand? So practicing the mock paper, because RMO is the difficult, and if any child qualify this, then they will go for writing the INMO. From this stage to this stage, they will be writing INMO, and that will take place on January 23. January 21st, yes, I think so. Yeah, January 21st. After that, another procedure, that's a camp selection and all. I am not going to discuss, because beyond this, my capacity is also not there. Believe me, means my capacity up to this point will come, and I'm trying for this one, means I can help in this also, but I don't know, it depends on the decision. So IOQM and then RMO and then INMO, this is the stage is going to take place, and this is going to be happen on the 3rd September. Let me show you what exactly notification, so that you can also understand, and I will try to explain there itself. It will be easy for you to understand. See, this is the website which you can see, right? And I will give the link of this website in the description. You can go through that one, Mathematics Olympiad 2023-24. Why 23-24? Because 23 will be PRMO, means IOQM, and RMO will take place, and then in 24 INMO will take place. So stages they given. First test examination, this is the IOQM they are calling it, being conducted. This is one on this 3rd September, 10 to 1 p.m. It's a 3-hour paper. Duration 3 hours. Total marks 100. The answer of each question is an integer to range between 00 to 99. Understand? Means there is nothing like multiple choice. A, B, C, D won't be there. Numeric answer 01, maybe 23, maybe 24. Okay. No negative marking. That is one of the very good things they put up, because those students who are going to write first time, they are from 8th class, 9th class, they are the small kids. They wanted to enjoy mathematics, is not going to take pressure. So that will be boost up for them. Okay. There is no negative marking for this. And how the scale, there are 10 questions of the 2 marks. 10 questions of the 2 marks, right? Means 20 marks. 10 questions of 3 marks will be there, slightly tougher. And 10 questions of the 5 marks. The beautiful questions will be there in that 5 marks question. So total 30 questions will be there and 100 marks paper, right? This is the what for the first stage examination. I will try to tell you that try to concentrate only on this. Of course, there will be other part also, you can read it. There is no difficulty into this one. But this part try to understand. And they put up the criteria for IOQM certificate they will give you. And you know, certificate, for certification, what criteria? Now you understood the pattern, I guess. IOQM exam pattern will be IOQM. I am discussing only IOQM right now, because in one video I don't want to make you confused. Let's clear IOQM, and then you will get the 50 days time to practice the RMO. RMO will be subjective type. Okay. So that part I am not discussing at this point of time. Okay. So IOQM exam pattern. Why I am telling this? Understand. There will be 3 kind of the question. Basically, they are saying that there are 3 category of the questions will be there. Okay, 3 category of the questions will be there. First category will be your 2 marks question. 2 marks question. We can say that we can put in the category of easy. Okay, there will be 10 question. Total 10 question they will ask you. And 10 question, 2 marks each. You are preparing for Olympiad, so this was multiplication you can do, 20 marks will come. Okay, this is the type, and this is the number of questions, and this is the marks for this particular section. We are calling 3 sections. This is, I am calling it easy section. Easy section. Then 3 marks question will be there. 3 marks questions. There are also 10 questions. So 3 marks, 10 questions, 30 marks will be there. Are you getting my point? And this I am calling it average. Means above average, you can say. Above average. I don't want to compare with any kind of the question and examination. This is this level of the question will come. No, nothing. In Olympiad, there is nothing like called as the level. Whatever is coming. That's all. And this difficult, not to make you scared, the difficult, means if that kind of question you did practice, then only you can do. That's what the meaning of the difficult. See, there is nothing like called as the easy, average, above average or difficult. It depends how much exposure you have, how much, you can say that how much practice you did, what kind of the question you faced. Any typical question when the first time anybody will face, they will find difficulty. So that's called as the difficult question. So 5 marks question will be there, and that is also 10 questions, so total 50 marks. So you can understand total 100 marks paper will be there. Total 100 marks. Total 100 marks paper. And if you count the number of questions, so How much here question is going to be happen? 10 question here, 10 question here. Total 30 question. Total 30 question. Alright. This is what the pattern of the examination, and answer will be the numeric type 01, 02, 55, 67, something like that. Are you able to understand my point? So this is what the example. Up now coming to your next point, ki bhai, how many students, what is the category, and this that. Believe me, cracking this examination is not difficult. Why not difficult? There are total 31 reasons are there. I will share you the PDF. 31 reasons. From each region, approximately 245 students they will select. 245 students from each region. Region means state. Thereby, like for example, right now I am recording the video in Kerala. So from Kerala also 245 students will be selected. So like that, 31 regions they decided. So total selection for RMO stage will be approximately 7,500 plus. This many students can be selected. So if you feel that no, I am not a guy of the Mathematics Olympiad, rethink. 7,500 students they are going to select for the first round. And the clearing, I am not saying that okay, everybody is going to get the final stage they are reaching. But believe me, if you this year you are getting certificate of IOQM, next year you can go to the next level. And that certificate having value. It's not a case of the any other things, okay, you'll get marks, these, that, but that certificate give you the confidence. Yes, IOQM level, I am qualified IOQM person. So, total 7,500, there is the more complete details are there, how they will select this, till 11th class, they will select 200 students, I think, and 40 students from the 12th class, and 5 girls will be there from the 11th class, they will select extra 5 girls, in spite of whatever the position of the girls in the 200. So, don't go into that way. That is not none of our business to look into this. Who is that? Because that is the only those people do that kind of analysis who are in the last position career. I am at 199 position. I will be enter or not. So, those who are getting this in this. Now, certificate, they put up a criteria. 10% marks. Of course, there is another criteria, RMO qualifier also is there. I am not going in that criteria. Let's forget 10% marks they put up. I mean 10 marks. Think carefully. 10 marks. If you did 5 questions here also correctly, 10 marks done. Certificate you will get it. My purpose is not that means you should plan for the certificate only. I am just telling. 10% marks. So 10% marks. Yeah, another criteria is there. That RMO selection will be depend on the region to region, but minimum let's take it 10%. 10%. Very easily we can put up. So this is the what pointed, and some more conditions and all they could put up. Those things you can read. I will give all the things, everything into this one. Like they are giving eligibility criteria for IOQM and selection criteria for RMO. Here, if you open it, one PDF will open for you. So there the date, you should check that key, what is the, when this is the valid only for the student. Let me make a little bit font bigger. Yes. Yeah. Who is the between 2004, August 1, 2004 to January 1, 2011. In between, if they born, then only they will be allowed to write the IOQM, and they must be studying in the either 8th class, 9th class or 10th, 11th, 12th. This is the main criteria. Apart from that also, there are so many things, blah, 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 blah is there. Please go through every point. You can go through this one. All this link will be provided to you. Right? This is the category they give. But please do not go into that unnecessary things into this. Start preparation. every week write a test. Every week write a test. By tomorrow, before evening, I will be putting another video where each chapter contain what are the concept and how much, what is the weightage of the previous year Olympiad and all. Okay, so there you can focus on that particular things. So by chance, if you did not subscribe, make it subscribe, because tomorrow it will be, maybe I will be putting live also. It depends on the situation. So from each region, this is the way they conduct. 200 student category A. Category A, they define what is the meaning of the category A. This is the category A. Okay, and 40 student category B. And 5 additional girls on the category A, from category A, irrespective of the number of girls student qualifying top. Suppose top 200 student, already so many girls are there, but then also they will put extra girl, 5 girls. So for the girls, it's a good opportunity. There is no separate girls quota for category B, category, and you can identify from here. These both the link I will be providing in this year. And this is the what certification criteria. Any student who score at least 10% of the total mark will receive a certificate. Believe me, it's very valuable. Any student, whoever is seeing this video, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, 11th class, 12th class, they must make sure to try for this. If you cannot prepare separately, right now the mathematics having the IOQM course that is running in the every Sunday, we will be maybe increasing the days also now. If you are not going to plan for the joining any IOQM course or anywhere, at least do your 8th, 9th, 10th class book. Basic fundamental learn it. And tomorrow's when I'm putting the videos of the topic name, just note it down topic name. I will try my best to put up some kind of the resources also, okay, books, which book you can follow those students who are not separately preparing IOQM. They can put up. And for those students who are right now in the IOQM course, be ready from this week onwards. We'll be starting one test every week, and that will be purely on the pattern of your IOQM. Right? So we will be, I hope all of you understood the things. Don't worry about that, how to do registration, where to do submit the form, what is the things and all. All those things will be, your registration will be getting started from the July 1st week. So that I will be putting the video separately, how to do registration. And there are also some people face the problem, how to do registration. Right, each and every student, according to me, each and every student must write IOQM, whoever is falling there under the eligibility criteria. Right? So, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow for the detailed analysis of that, what are the topic and what is the weightage last few years from those topics. Okay? Thank you very much.